Hello there guys, this video is just a very quick reply to a question someone has just asked in the Telegram group. If you are making a rewards token using Tokens by Gen, they asked where do you get the address of the reward token and where do you put it? So we're on the tokensbygen.com website. We're talking about this token here. It allows you to give your holders any BSC BEP20 token as a reward. Now that does not include BNB because that's treated completely differently. So not BNB, but anything else that's on the Binance Smart Chain. So you click on the button to create your token. You need to put in some information, your token name, symbol, supply, number of decimals, and then in this box right here, you enter the contract address of the token that you want to give people as a reward. Now, you can get on this page, I'll leave a link to this one beneath this video. These are popular Binance BEP20 pegged tokens. So this is the Binance BEP20 version of Ethereum. It's pegged to the price of ETH. And then we've got many tokens pegged to the price of the dollar and different things like that. We've got Doge, we've got Shiba, and various other things that might be exciting tokens for you to give to your holders. So all you need is the contract address from here. If you click on it, and then you can just click on this where you copy the address and then you just paste it into this box. Simple as that. So once you've chosen your token that you want to reward to people and you've deployed your contract, you can't change that later. So it'd be a good idea to pick a good one. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, if you are going to make your token with Tokens by Gen, please also click on this right here. It goes to a step-by-step guide. In fact, I'll go there right now. This is a Google Doc. It shows you very, very clearly how to deploy your token, what you need to do, all of that good stuff. And on every one of these steps, there is a link to a YouTube video and it's a timestamp to that particular part in the video. Now, the video is a video of me creating a token, but it's the standard token. So it's not reflections or rewards, but almost all of the steps are identical. So watch the video and it will show you what to do. But there's a couple of little things that are not on the video, but they are in here in text, step by step and nice and clear. So if you want to make your token, get yourselves over to tokensbygen.com and you can choose standard, reflection or rewards. The price is nothing at all up front, but there is a 1% fee inside the contract tokenomics. It works just the same as a marketing wallet. If you want to remove that fee, you can do so at any time, either before or after you launch your project, and the cost to do that is 2 BNB. Once you've done that, there's no longer a fee in the contract at all. It's just completely yours. I have no access to your contract. I can't remove the fee manually or anything like that. It's deployed directly into your wallet. You get the total supply. You have to add liquidity or set up your pre-sale, but I do give you instructions on how to do those things. But there's no backdoors. There's no access from me on any of your functions. I am going to be releasing very, very soon another option for a token that you can create using the Token Factory. This token will be completely free. There won't be any charge whatsoever, no upfront charge, no ongoing fee, no paying BNB to remove a fee or anything like that. It's going to be a pretty special token, so watch this space. That is coming soon. Take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.